This is the brief on social media business preparation. Did you know that launching on social media could completely destroy your business before you even earn your very first LKR? Today, we're breaking down a stark reality check. Social media isn't magic, it's actually a magnifying glass for your business flaws. And establishing trust is the only real way to succeed. Now, if you're the kind of person thinking, hey, a viral post is all I need to get rich, well, listen up. Ghosting a customer online is exactly like a cashier ignoring someone standing right in front of them. Their trust is instantly shattered, and no trust means zero sales. Make sure you stick around and watch until the end to get the exact blueprint to bulletproof your launch. First, you've got to build trust through complete transparency. Hiding prices really frustrates customers, so always display them clearly in LKR. Eliminate secrets by clearly stating your delivery fees, return policies, your business registration, and SLS standards. This upfront clarity directly builds lasting customer trust. Second, here are 3 actionable tips to handle all that incoming traffic. 1. Management. Assign dedicated personnel to reply instantly. Never leave messages or voice cuts sitting for 7 days. 2. Network first. Test your business on your existing network of neighbors and friends. 3. Set the foundation. Finalize all delivery methods, prices, and legal documents before making your first post. So social media won't destroy your business if you set a strong, responsive foundation first. Thank you so much for your time, and please revisit King's Academy for more knowledge. Let us know your opinions in the comment section. And as always, we read all posted comments and reply as soon as possible.